Zucchini is by far my favorite vegetable to put on the grill, and this balsamic grilled zucchini is absolutely amazing. Of course, it's not rocket science. I'm gonna start by cutting my zucchini into quarters. I like substantial sized pieces so they hold up on the grill. And then after they come off the grill, if you wanna cut it into smaller pieces to add to something else, you can, or you can keep them in the hearty pieces and eat it like your meat. And now for the seasoning, you can use whatever you want, like I said, but the main thing you need to do is oil it first because that's gonna keep it from sticking, but it also just kind of helps with that caramelization on the grill. This also gives the spices something to stick to. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle with a little Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Give them a toss. Yes, this is so simple, but it's gonna deliver amazing flavor. Just watch. Let's go heat up the grill. I like to start my grill about medium to medium high, and then you wanna oil your grates so they don't stick. Put your zucchini on and don't touch it for a minute. That way you get those good caramelized grill marks. You're just gonna grill it for about 3 to 4 minutes to develop that good color, and then the secret ingredient, balsamic vinegar. Just brush the zucchini with the balsamic vinegar and let them cook for just another minute and they're good to go. How good do these look? And I'm telling you, they smell even better. I like to start my grill on the high side so that I get all these good grill marks. You know the caramelization equals flavor, and when you add on that balsamic vinegar, it just all comes together. They've gotten tender, but they're definitely not soggy. They're still gonna have a bite when we go to cut into them. Colorful flavor on the outside. The inside is tender, kind of buttery. This top rated recipe really is delicious, and I'm telling you, you can do this same exact thing with any vegetables. This would be great to also try with yellow squash, portobellos, eggplant, asparagus, anything. This summer, get outside and keep grilling. While you've got your main dish on, add the sides too, and this balsamic grilled zucchini is the perfect way to do it. Trust me. Basically the same way you like your roasted asparagus, you can season your grilled asparagus. These are not asparagus.